Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make fried jollof rice. It's very easy and it tastes yummy, it's delicious. This is restaurant and hotel style, and you can make it at home too. If you want to eat jollof rice and you cannot go to kitchen and cook rice, do this, you have left rice there, you have stew there, only thing you make this recipe simple and you eat. I have salad recipe there, I have shito recipe there, hot sauce recipe, I have it. I have chicken recipe also in my YouTube channel. This is the ingredients you need to prepare your fried jollof rice. Please cut all your vegetables. Please be careful with your hand when you are cutting your vegetables. Some knife is very sharp, so if you didn't take care, you cut your hand away. Any vegetables you have in your fridge you want to add to it, you can add it. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. I'm Facebook, I'm YouTube, I'm Instagram, so follow me there. Please, if you are new here watching me, after watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my comment section and press the notification bell there. Please, and don't forget to follow, like, and share my Facebook page. And follow me on Instagram. I'm there too, so follow me there. This is the cooked rice, carrot, bell peppers, and red onions, cabbage and spring onions, vegetables bouillon, shrimp Maggi powder, chili pepper, hot pepper, oil, egg, tomato stew. I have recipe there so you can follow that. This is my garlic and ginger paste. Please, let's start. Heat your fry pan or the saucepan you are going to use. Add the oil. Add red onions, carrots, and the bell peppers, and you stir it. Please like, follow, and share my Facebook page, and you can comment there too. If I post any video or pictures there, you can comment under my comment section. Add the egg. Add your ginger and garlic paste. Add the shrimp Maggi powder. Add the vegetable bouillon, and you stir it. Please don't let the fire too high, so you should set to medium heat. Add your chili pepper powder. This hot one, yeah. Add your tomato stew to it. Please, if you are new here watching me, don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell there. Thank you. And you add your cooked rice. This rice is leftover, the one I have it, and that's what I'm using for jollof. So if you have leftover rice, you can use it, or if you want to cook and you want to make this recipe you can also do that. And you miss it. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my followers on Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you. God bless you. Add spring onions and cabbage to it. And you miss it. But don't let the vegetable overcook. Yeah, it's supposed to be nice but not overcooked. And you taste it. If the salt is okay for you, if not, you can add some more salt to it. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. It's ready to serve. You can enjoy whatever you want your jollof to eat with. And please don't forget to like, follow and share my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, like it, comment and share. Thanks for watching Mayu Catering Services.